Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about unit number 5, that is the pointers. The first lecture, the pointer we are going to see. In this today's lecture we are going to see about that how to use the pointer, what do you mean by the pointer, format of pointer declaration, example of pointer. So, firstly, we will see the pointer concepts and their use of the pointer in the C programming language. Later on, we will see the format of pointer declaration and example of pointer. So, objective of this today's lecture, upon completion of this lecture, you will be able to understand the pointer concepts, to understand the basic format of pointer in C programming, how to use the pointer in a C programming language. So, review and the concepts of the previous lecture. What is meant by function? So, function is nothing but as a self-contained block that executes the number of statements written in the block. So, that is the definition in the function. What is use of array? So, array we can just declare and define. At that time, we can define a similar type of the data element we can use here. So, what are the different attributes of array? So, attributes of array and so size of array, name of array, type of array, address of array. So, these are the attributes of array. Then, what is meant by data types? So, data types is nothing but as a type of the data. So, which type of data we are going to use in the program. So, the basic concepts of the pointer we will see. So, what exactly mean by the basic concepts of the pointer is I is the name of given particular memory location. Let's its a corresponding address be 65,624 and the value store variable I is 5. So where the value of I is stored, that is the address is given into the memory location. The address of variable I is stored in another integer variable whose name is j and which having the address corresponding address is 65,522 address. Thus we can say that j equals to and is nothing but as an address of I, that is j equal to address of I. Here j is not an ordinary variable, it is special variable and called pointer variable as it stores the address of another ordinary variable. So the definition of pointer is a variable which store the address of another variable. Since the pointer is also a kind of variable, thus pointer itself will be the stored at a different memory location. Type of variable, so simple variable that stores a value such as integer, float, character, and these are the some examples. Complex variable that stores the address of simple variable. So this first example we will see. So this is one sample program in a C programming language. Hash include stdio.h, int main in opening curly braces we are going to declare here int a equal to 3, int star ptr. Star is nothing but as a symbol of pointer and ptr is the name of variable. So again ptr equal to address of a and semicolon here given and return 0 and closing the brackets. So here we are having to then a name of variable is a in a simple variable and another variable we are using here ptr and type of the value that it holds as an integer, but in the ptr it holds the address of integer a. Okay, so the value stored variable a is 3, but the variable ptr suppose address is 2001 and address of variable is 2001, that is the assumption, and the address of ptr is a 4001, that is the another assumption. So this it will illustrate that. So the address of pointer is an address store the address of another variable. So we will stop here.